Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I just want to share with you guys about the basic tools that a homeowner needs for their simple DIYs at the house. If you own a home, guaranteed something is going to break, something's going to be loose. Your cabinets are going to be some screws, the hinges are going to be loose, and need something to tighten that. So today I just want to share with you guys the basics, the tools that you might want to pick up at Lowe's or Home Depot during this holiday for your next DIY or anything that you need to fix in your home, all right? So I'm going to start with the basic ones that we all need as a homeowner. One of them is going to be one of these things here, right? This is a screwdriver. I like this one because this screwdriver, instead of buying a set, you can buy a set of different sizes. It's cool to do that, but you can buy one of this. This is a simple one that every homeowner might need. This one is nice because it's one screw, but it's got the regular one here, the star on this side, and then the flat on the other side. Those are the basic ones that people use at the house. I don't know if you're gonna use like special screws. I'm gonna show you the special ones, screwdrivers. But this, you're gonna need one of this size, and then the flat side are like this. So this one is just one tool like this, but it has both. So if you wanna use it flat, you just switch it and it connects into this one like that. And then if you need the other side, you rotate it and then you put it in like that. Just simple like that. I believe that every homeowner should get one of these. Pretty simple. When you're up on a ladder and you need to switch or rotate it or you need a flat one, you don't need to run down to get a flat head screw. It's all in here. All right. Let me show you, get it closer so you can see it. This is all you need as a homeowner. So that's number one. If you go to Lowe's or Home Depot and you see any of this on sale, please grab one. You will appreciate me one day. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna put that down. Another thing that you might want to need is this channel lock. This thing can do anything. Like if you have one of these, you don't even need pliers. This one expands. You can make it bigger. You make it bigger like that. You can get it smaller like that. You can do it to that small like that. You need one of these channel locks. Sometimes they come in 3 sets. A bigger one like this, and then a medium one, and then a small one. I saw some at Home Depot for about, I think, $29.99 or something like that. So if you see one of these channel locks, please buy one of these. You might need this for a lot of things. This works in plumbing. This works in electrical. This works. It is amazing. This one is super cool. You're going to need one of these, okay? Another thing that you might want to need is a hammer. I just have a bunch of stuff here. You want to get a hammer like that because you might want to like put a nail on the wall or hang your pictures and stuff or something like that. You might need one of these for your DIY in the home. A hammer, they come in different sizes. This is a 20 ounces. I like this one because it's all metal. The whole thing is metal, and then it's got like a plastic, like a rubbery type of handle right here. You can buy one that's just wood. Yeah, it's good, but sometimes if you hit something really hard, this metal thing, sometimes the wood can break right here and you have to replace that. But if it's like all metal like this, you're guaranteed you might use this forever. And I like this because it's got like a little section right here also to help with removing nails, or you can use it on this side. Some of them even come with magnets here that can hold like a screw, or a nail right here. So it's up to you. Whatever is in your budget, just purchase one of these. So that's number 3. And then number 4, you might need bits. Some people just buy like a single bit like that, but I think it's important to at least get a set of these, because you're gonna lose a bunch of this. So far I've lost how many? I've lost one right here. I know where it is. It's probably in my bag somewhere, but this one comes with a set, and actually comes with one of these screwdrivers as well. So if you get this, you got a screwdriver, and then you got all sizes, all different sizes of screws. So this is perfect. If you buy one of these, you're gonna be safe anytime you need to fix something. So when you have one of these right here, you can switch this to a different, like a flat one. This one doesn't have any flat one in here, but sometimes you find one that has a flat one, or you can get one of those hex head like this, a special head like this. It just depends what you have, right? It just depends what you have. But if you have the other one that I showed you, plus this one, then you're set. You got all sizes and all type of screwdrivers for your projects and for your DIY stuff. You got the bigger ones, and then you got these are smaller ones, and then really small ones over here. I like this kind because this one comes with this contraption in the back here. You can put it directly into your drill. There's some that are just flat like this. The only caveat with these ones is like it's too short like this. Most of them are gonna be, the distance here is very small, but you can buy like longer ones, like bits that are longer that you can use. Okay, I just had this one sale. It was a Home Depot a couple years ago. They work, and so Black Friday, I think this was like a Black Friday sale like that. You need one of these as a homeowner. This will help you a ton. Another thing you might want to think about is this square right here. You need to cut a piece of wood and you need to get a straight line. You're always gonna need one and put one of these on a piece of wood like that and then make your straight line. And then when you try to check squares on anything you're building, you're gonna need a square like this. This has so much things you can do. So you need one of these, and as your skills get better, you're gonna find out that this thing has you can do rafters with this, you can do all kinds of things with this, okay? You're gonna need a pencil as well as a homeowner to be able to mark things when you're doing your projects, okay? So I wanted to share with you guys, this is a special bit right here. This one I bought one of these, I think at Lowe's, yes. This one comes with all kinds of screw bit. Comes with a regular one, a small size, and then all these special bits, and then it comes with all different level sizes and stuff, and all these kinds. You never know when you're gonna need this, but occasionally you find like screwdrivers that need all these special screws right here, okay? Especially cabinet screws. Some of them use these special bits and stuff. So you don't really need this as a homeowner, but I got it because sometimes I use these bits on some other screws and certain things, okay? You don't need to buy this. I just wanted to share with you guys so you can see. Another thing that you might want to consider to buy as a homeowner is utility knife. This is just a fancy one, but there's like simple ones that you can buy that don't look like this. I don't have my other tool bag, but I always have this because this one I can lock this back, and this can go in my pants over here, and it just works amazing, okay? So I just wanted to share with you guys this one. And then another thing that you probably want to need, this thing has all different names. I call it like a small pry bar, but some people call it all kinds of names. I don't know. If you're an expert, can you tell us what this thing is called? But this thing is amazing. This thing is gonna save you a lot of work when you try to pry something out, when you try to push something in, when you try to do all kinds of things, when you try to move like a small screw. This works amazing. So if you see one of these on sale somewhere during this holiday, grab one. You will thank me someday how amazing this thing and what this thing can do, okay? So I dropped that down. Another thing that I think a homeowner might need is this cutter right here. This looks like a scissor, but this thing can cut plastic, it can cut metal, it can cut zip ties and all kinds of stuff. This is amazing. I saw some of this on sale on Home Depot, different places. Please buy what you come. This one also comes different styles and stuff. But this is like the basic one. This is just a lowest one, cobalt one. So you're gonna need this. I'm telling you, you're gonna need this. All right, so let's go to like now power tools. You're gonna need a drill. This one's there's all kinds of it. Some of them are plugged into the wall, like has a cable like this that goes into the wall. But a battery powered drill is good. You don't need to get things that are expensive like this, but there's some of them are like super cheap. Just get something there for yourself. But I like this. Is a 20 volt. This is like an impact drill. It works amazing. I can use this forever. The battery comes off like that. I have this little hook here that I can hang on my pants when I'm in a ladder and stuff. So you're gonna need one of these impact drill maybe, but you don't need this. You can just get a regular old drill, like like this one. This one that you can put your bit right here. You can put all kinds of things, This one has light also, and in the back here shows you how much power you still have left on your battery. See there? They had all kind of different type of sales on these. They were selling like maybe if you buy this or if you buy battery, you get one of these free. So just look around and see which one you have. But you need a drill as a homeowner. You're gonna need it to put in to drill screws on the wall, to do all kinds of things. Like a battery power one is better than the cable one, all right? You can move it everywhere. You can go with it anywhere without a cable like following everywhere to drill. So you're gonna need one of these, all right? Please don't forget. I got this fancy one, but this is like if you're like doing like installing cabinets, like weird angles and stuff, you can use one of these. I have a review on this on my channel, so if you're interested in buy one of these, let me plug it in. Let me put a battery so you can see. If you're interested in anything like this, like go to my channel and you're gonna see it. This one is really nice because sometimes when installing cabinets, there's like really weird angles. I have to like use one of these and be able to get it. But you don't need this as a homeowner, only if you're able to install cabinets, okay? And then you're gonna need a level. Like you can need a small one like this, or you can get a bigger one, like a 4-foot one, but a level is needed as a homeowner. You're gonna need it at some point to be able to level your things like this, your frames or stuff. This one comes really handy all the time, okay? Another thing that I think a homeowner might need is you're gonna need A circular saw as a homeowner is needed. So I got one of these fancy one. I have a review if you want to know more about it. Circular saw, I have a review on this. This one is like super, super, super nice, okay? So get one of these. If you can get a smaller one. It doesn't need to be expensive like this. This is like a 20 volts, 8 amps. So this is like heavy duty one, like for like major construction stuff. So get yourself one of these. It doesn't need to be DeWalt. It could be any. So you're gonna need a saw like this, a hand saw. And I'm gonna show you a simple one that I also have a review on my channel. Please check it out. That I believe that's like the perfect one for a homeowner. Okay, this mini one, this is the perfect one for a homeowner. I have a review on this on my channel. If you're gonna check it out, this one works amazing. It's super light, and a homeowner needs one of these. It's a mini circular, so it's got like a 4-inch blade. This thing works amazing. It's got some power, you know, and it's got the battery. You can just use regular 20 volt battery. The one I'm using on my drill, I'll show you right here. This one can use this. It can use the big one that I have on the other saw. Yeah, this one can use that. Got power, so you can get yourself one of these. All right, this is perfect. This is, if you don't want to buy a big one like the one I just showed you. If you don't want this, get one of this. This is simple, light. Even the ladies can use it. This is a little heavy, but I'm not saying ladies can use this, but this is super nice. Your kids or your lady can use one of these, okay? So get yourself a saw, powered saw like this, instead of using just a hand saw, okay? All right, another thing that I think my homeowner might need is a grinder. Most of these come with a cable like this, but you can get one that are powered. Usually when you go to the store to buy one that's battery powered, it's gonna be way expensive. But I think you might need one of this. You're not gonna use it as much, but when you're doing tires or anything like that, these things comes handy. I do have one that's battery powered. It's in my garage, so I didn't bring it, but it's the same concept. So you can use one of these. This one you can sharpen your lawnmower blades with this. You can cut tires with this. You can do all kinds of stuff. So you can switch this blade to all kinds of different things. So you're gonna need a grinder at some point. But for the basic things, you're probably not ever gonna need this, okay? And then my last tool that I think a homeowner might need is one of these saws. This thing is amazing, okay? This one comes with all kinds of blades. You can I usually just buy a set of these. Some of them are just for wood. Some of them are for cutting wood and nails and stuff. So when you buy all this, it's gonna show you here. It's gonna show, is it wood? On the side here shows wood or metal or whatever it is, multi-purpose. It will show you right here. And then to put this in here is pretty simple. These ones also come battery powered, but I do have this. I've had it for a long time, so I didn't think I needed a battery powered one. And always when you get a battery powered, it's gonna be way more expensive than this. Okay, so this one you can put the blade either direction. You can go, the blade can go like that, facing up like that. The blade, and this is how you remove the blade. There's a lock right here. So if you lift it up, you remove it. You can put the blade across, like like up here, like that. It's locked. So then you can cut like across like this. All right, and it can face any direction. You can either put it facing that way if you want to cut like that, or you can put it like the straight, facing down like that. This is, I can't tell you enough. This thing does everything. You can cut wood with it outside in your backyard. You can cut trees with it outside, anything. So if you don't have like a chainsaw or stuff, this thing will help you cut a lot of things. It can cut pipes, it can cut all kinds of stuff. So you're gonna need this as a homeowner eventually, but the basic ones that we just talked about, those are the ones you need at the moment. Just buy a set of this, so this one, you get yourself one of these. And then at Lowe's, they had a sale on these things. I bought more because you never know. This is my old one that I have, a Diablo, and I still have blades that I haven't even used inside, okay? So you need one of those. And then you're gonna need a stud finder. I got reviews on this on my channel. Please check it out. Let me know what you think. This is my favorite stud finder. It's a Franklin sensor. This works really good. It works really good. I got a review how it works and what you need to do. You get yourself one of these. Doesn't need to be Franklin. It can be just any other stud. They all do work just as good, but my favorite this one. If you like this, go check it out. I don't know if they had any sales this year or this holiday, but check them out and see if this is something you might want. And then I was working at Lowe's a couple of days ago, I think Home Depot, and I got this fancy thing here. This one is similar to this, except this one only has this, no extra screws and stuff. But this one here, it's kind of nice also. In the back here, In the back here, it's got this. You can push it down, but if you pull it down here, it's got all kinds of screws like that. This was on sales, I think, for like $9, if I remember, like maybe $12 maybe. And it's got all kinds of screws. The same idea as a homeowner, you get all this. So this is really nice for a homeowner. And then you can push it back. And then the cool thing is like this one can do like angles. You can tilt this to a certain angle so that it can tilt like that, and then it's on that angle right now. And it can still, it's got that ratchet right there. You can still screw something or whatever you want to do. So this, and then once you push it, it locks in there. And then it's got a quick connect right here. I don't know if you can see, quick connect, like the drill. So you just put it in here and it connects. You don't have to worry. And then you can put it straight. So if to go the other side, and so when you put it there, when you rotate this spins whatever direction you want it to. Okay, I think this is one cool thing for a homeowner, but you got all these other types of screws in here. If you see it's still on sale at Home Depot, please grab one of this. This will save you a headache. Okay, so I think that's all I have right now to show you guys. If you have any questions, if you are stuck with something, please drop me a comment or send me a direct message, and I'll be able to help you. Let's build some stuff till 2026. Let's do more. Let's fix things that we haven't been fixing in our homes. We've been putting off for the whole year. Let's 2026 be a different year, a year to fix things and to fix our houses and make them look nice. All right. God bless, and I'll talk to you guys later.